Hi everyone. Today we are going to do budgets. That is far as the work plan is concerned. So, to save time on the video, I'm not gonna do much of the work we did on the previous exercises, like to bold and to show borders and all those things. Please try and do them on your own. I'm just gonna do the calculations for the budget. Budget is chapter 4 of your Excel workbook. Okay, so firstly we are going to calculate. You already recorded the spreadsheet as it is from your exercise, and then we are going to do the calculations starting on the difference column. How do we calculate the difference? We say equals to the actual income minus budgeted, and then enter. So now the difference, we want to see the difference between the two. So we start with the actual income, then we subtract the budget, and then you drag that down. You can do that one by one, or you drag it down. Okay, remember we are talking about currencies now, so you need to format. Let me quickly remind you how to format. You highlight the whole columns, and then you go here, number the down arrow, and then when you are there, then you go to currency. Make sure you check here for R English South Africa. Scroll down, then you format that currency. R English South Africa, and then make sure the highlighted currency is the first option with the negative, and then you say okay, then it will be formatted to currency. But remember also, when you do the currency, don't forget to change the decimal places. The decimal places, if they say 0, you reduce it here to 0. If they say 2, you make sure it is 2. Okay, let me quickly move on. And then now we need to calculate the difference percentage. Also here, remember this is the amount, this is now the percentage. Also in the instruction they did say you need to format this column of the difference column. You need to format it to percentage, to decimal place. So you just select percentage and then make sure the decimals as 2, but it is just depending on the instruction. Okay, how do we calculate the difference? To calculate the difference, remember in Excel we always start with equals to the difference amount divided by actual income, there you go, enter, and then the percentage is 8.81%, and then you drag it down. All right, now we go here. Do you see here we have total sales? So now we need to calculate what? The totals. The moment you see totals, that means we need to sum the above. How do you do that? Equals to sum. You open the bracket, you highlight the above, you close the brackets, and then enter. And then you drag it through to the last. You drag it through to the last column, and then we move on. We do the same thing on the total expenditure. Remember the above were sales, and then now we have the expenditure, so we still need to do the same thing. We say equals to the actual income minus budgeted. Enter. Then you drag it through. You only drag until the last item. Okay, and then here we have the difference percentage. Different percentage we say equals to the difference amount. We divide that by the actual income. Make sure you format that into percentage. You drag it down to the last item. Okay, and then we calculate the total expenditure. We say the sum of the above. Make sure you highlight only the expenditures and then say enter. Then you drag it through. Okay, and then now we need to calculate the net profit or loss. How are we going to see if the company made a profit or loss? We say equals to, we start with the sales. Our sales minus the total expenditures. Again, then we say enter. So we start with the sales that we have, and then the expenses, then you subtract. Then we check if the company has a negative, then it was supposed to be a loss. Then if we have a positive amounts, then that means the company has a net profit. All right, thank you. Okay, do not forget to you copy it and then you copy it and then you show formulas. You copy your sheet and then you show formulas. I don't know what happens here. You show your formulas, and then when you submit both the calculations and the formulas. Okay, thank you.